Okay. Very good, Queen. Good job. Nice one. So let's erase it. Very good. Good job. Now, what is this? So, watch this very quick. Watch this. Now, let's go. Now, look at this one. Queen, you need to check the correct answer. Circle 2 and pass. You need to put circle if 2. Check if pass. So it's quarter 2. 3. So this one is the answer. Where is it's quarter past 9? It's quarter past 9. What is it? Quarter past 9. Check the box. Check the box, please. Number 1. Check the box. You're pretty already. You check the box. Where is quarter past 9? Yes. Check the box. Where is quarter past where? Next is quarter to 7. It's quarter to 7.
Balik lagi, Riley.
Quarter to 7.
Hebat, Dora.
Where is quarter to 7? It's wrong. Here is quarter 7. This is 7 and then this is quarter. Okay, very good. Now, Queen, let's continue the 3 and 4 on Wednesday. Good job, good job. Very good for tonight. And I see you on Wednesday. Okay? Okay, goodbye, Queen, and good night. Bye-bye. Hi, Lily. Hi, Win. Good evening. Hi, Win. Hi. Hi, Lily. Good evening. How are you? You are happy, Lily. Very good. How about you, Win? Very good, kids. Good job. Are you ready? Yes, you are ready. Very good. Before your book, before your book, let me show you a picture.
Oh, I'm so.
Let me show you a
What's on remote?
okay. Now, Win, what can you see in the picture?
Okay, so I have to look down.
It's a happy birthday. Very good. Good job. Lily, it's your turn. How many
Oh
balloons?
my. How am I able to make this?
How many?
Oh my. How did I make this? Yeah. Oh. He just freaked out of time. Let's see.
No, balloons. Balloons. How many balloons?
What's that?
Okay, Win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
No.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They are 11 balloons. Very good.
Yep, that's all.
Next, Win. How many stars do you have?
Nope. What was that? What was that?
7. Very good. You said they are 7. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. Lily, how many
Oh my god.
candles? Very good, Lily.
Yes,
There are
okay.
5 candles. Good job.
Hey,
Win, it's your turn.
Yeah.
How many gifts?
Up.
How many gifts? 8. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? Lily is correct. How do you say it? They are 7 people. People. Very good. Good job. Nice one, kids. Very good. You identify the picture. Next. Papa, Grandma, Mom, Dad, Sister,
Oh my,
and
so close.
baby boy. Very good. Good job. Lily, very good. Good job. And Win. Now next. This one. Win. How many umbrella? Okay. Very good. Now, Lily, where is the big? Where? Under the. Very good, Lily. Teddy is under the umbrella. Very good. Good
How
job.
do we get to the
Now
moon?
with last one. What are the colors of the ball? What are the colors of the ball?
Wait.
Pink, blue, red, yellow. We also have orange, green, and white. Good job, kids. Nice one. Very good. Now next, let's go to your book. Let me check your book. So our last topic is like this. Very quick. Just one moment. So are you okay? You are okay? Okay, very good. Nice
Oh,
one.
you got it.
Identify the pictures we have. So next, our lesson is this one. We already done with Billy Steady. So next is we go here. Yes, Billy. Let me share your. Okay. Now this is yours. This is your last lesson. Okay. Now we are here.
1,
So let
2,
me.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now kids,
8.
I want you to listen.
For the remaining
Listen, okay? So that we can answer this
I
one.
think it was 8 for 1.
Listen, Lily.
8 for 1. Oh, it's wrong. 8. So 8 for the remaining digits. Oh, so 1, 2, 3, 8, then 1. Someone said let's stick with the left. Really? Balik.
Okay, so we're done.
Alright.
So if you listen carefully, you can answer this. Now, I want you to read also. So number 1, Win, read number 1.
No.
No. Di
Sa din ang kuwan sa TV diri na nasya.
Very good.
Marahin lagi.
No.
Asa ang remote?
No.
Asa dyan ang remote?
Australia no.
Okay, thank you. Lily, it's your turn.
Alright.